and I think.
So, without wasting time, we'll move on to the welcome and digital lamp lighting. Sumit, please. Sumit, please share the digital lamp lighting. Share the sound, please.
Hello? Yes, sir. Sir, that is the
Sumit, no
network
sound.
problem.
Sumit, no sound. Actually,
so without wasting.
Thank you. And on behalf of the society, I would like to do the welcome address. So, on behalf of the organizing committee and the POGS and the entire organizing team, I would like to welcome our chief guest and the most important personality of this evening, our dearest Foxy President, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, to this wonderful event. And Sir is the chief guest for the event. And on behalf of the conference organizing committee and the POGs, I would like to welcome the guest of honor, Dr. Mandagini ma'am, the chairperson of ICOG. I would like to welcome the Foxy Vice President 2020, Dr. Ramani madam, to this wonderful function. I welcome on behalf of the society and the entire team at Peridhalmana. Would like to welcome our the President of Kerala Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Dr. K. Ambujam. I welcome the Foxy previous past Vice Chairperson and the academic coordinator of Foxy, dearest friend, Dr. Ashwath Kumar. I welcome my dearest friend, Dr. Fessy Lewis, who is the president-elect for the year 2021. And I welcome my friend, Dr. M. Venugopal, and he is the secretary of Kerala Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecology and a constant inspiration for this conference. See, in fact, we started our society in the year 2019. Actually, Dr. Ashwath has done a lot of help to materialize this society into a reality. We have actually planned our conference as a physical one during the month of September 2020. But unfortunately, since March this year, all these scenarios have changed and everything has become online and virtual and so on. So we took up this challenge to conduct this conference. Actually, the COVID has become, even though it is an unfortunate thing to happen in our lifetime, but it has become a fortunate thing for the society because if it was not there, if we were conducting as a physical event, we may not have been able to do this conference in this magnitude. Until yesterday night, the pre-registrations were almost 2,400 plus. And in fact, many people were waiting for the spot registrations because we closed down the registrations on yesterday night. Again, 390 plus the spot registrations were happened just within an hour of opening the registration on today morning at 8 o'clock. And we are very fortunate to have so many leaders have agreed to participate in the conference, right from the present Foxy president, the past presidents, many of the past presidents, and the president-elects for the coming year and the year after. And many of the organization leaders, the ISAR, from the ISAR, IFS, and the IAG, many people have participated. And from our state itself, many have supported right length and breadth for this conference and to make this event. And the real people behind this event is the event team Conferences International, who have done a lot of work, right? Almost for past 6 months, past 2 months, they were doing past 60 days, they were behind this activity, and the pharma team who have supported this event to spread the message across this thing. With this, I conclude my welcome address. I welcome all the delegates, all the dignitaries, all the people who are watching this. And I would like to invite Professor Dr. Ambujam to deliver the presidential address. Over to you, ma'am.
Respected President FOGSI, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, Guest of Honor and Chairperson ICOG, Dr. Mandagini Megh, FOGSI Vice President, Dr. Ramani Devi, Vice President-elect, Dr. Fessy Louis, KFOG Secretary, Dr. Venugopal, National Coordinator, FOGSI, Dr. Ashwath, President and Secretary of FOGS, Dr. Kunjumaideen and Dr. Wahab, distinguished speakers, national as well as international, and my dear friends. I bring greetings from Kerala Federation. Kerala Federation is an umbrella organization of all the societies of Kerala. It's an honor to be in this platform, sharing platform with President FOGSI, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, who has been doing wonderful work even during this pandemic, and the other dignitaries of FOGSI who are all there. And I've been watching this conference from morning, and I should say it's wonderful. The Perindalmanna Obstetrics and Gynecological Society was incepted in 2019. And over these few months, the society has grown up remarkably, I should say, in academics as well as in other activities. It is amazing that even during this pandemic, with the help of the e-platform and artificial intelligence and so on, we are still be able to conduct such mega events. And FOGS has included all the eminent faculty members from the various fields of our discipline. I'm sure the delegates are all going to benefit, and I wish FOGS all the best for a good annual society meeting, the noesis. And I searched what is this noesis, and it is actually a Greek word which means intellect. So wonderful, Dr. Kunjumaideen. All best wishes and extend all my support on behalf of Kerala Federation. Jai KFOG.
Thank you, madam. Thanks for your kind message to us, and we will continue the same in the future. Now I would like to invite our chief guest, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, President FOGSI, for the inauguration address.
Respected guest of honor, Dr. Mandakini, Vice President, Dr. Ramani Devi, President-elect, Dr. Santa Kumari, Dr. Ambujam, Dr. Kunjumaideen, Dr. Venugopal, Dr. Abdul Wahab, my friend Dr. Fessy, and my brother Dr. Ashwath, and Dr. Mumtaz, team POGS. A very good evening to all of you. Thank you very much for inviting me. It's a great honor to be here among all of you in this very prestigious and a conference with a great academics and with so many stalwarts across India with such a good number of registration. I must congratulate Team POGS and organizers for such a wonderful show, wonderful academic program. I would like to convey thanks on behalf of FOGSI to all of you for continuing great academics in this difficult time, continuing essential maternity services, continuing time-sensitive services, and continuing social work. FOGSI is proud of all of you, and you all are doing great work in this difficult time. I would like to thank all of you for making all the programs and projects of Foxy very successful. This year, the theme for Foxy is safety first. And when we announced this theme in the Lucknow conference, we were not knowing how much this theme will be the important for this year, and today it looks this theme is very, very important and appropriate for this year. Actually, our complete theme is safety first for women of India and Foxians. So it covers both, and really this year we are feeling that this is very, very essential. Foxy is also continuing its CSR activities along with academic activities during this difficult time of pandemic COVID. And I'm happy to share with all of you that during installation, we promise that we will take Foxy's vision and Foxy's good work across India to all the corners of India. And with your support and with support of all the 260 societies, today with proud and with happiness, I can say that Foxy is doing a great work. On 10th March, on International Women's Day, we organize a mega cancer screening camp, and on that day we have screened 40,000 women in police and CRPF families. On Mother's Day, we organize a program on women's empowerment and safety, and again 42,786 women across India attended it. Yesterday, we organized a program on breastfeeding, to promote breastfeeding, to remove its wrong beliefs, and proper and technique to promote breastfeeding, encourage breastfeeding. And I am happy to share that yesterday 52,100 women across attended this program. So we are going and we are reaching across India in all the corners, and this became possible only and only with the support from all the Foxians and 260 societies. On 10th of the August, we have one more CSR activity, and this year we have decided to conduct all CSR activities on some particular day and only on scientific agenda and which can bring impact in the society and community and in our country. So on 10th August, we want to celebrate World Youth Day, which is on 12th of the August, but it is Janmashtami, so we decided to celebrate it on previous day. On 10th August, our aim is to reach minimum 1 lakh girls and boys between 13 to 23 years of age, and theme for the program is preventable adolescent healthcare education. And again, I am happy to inform you that more than 1,000 schools have already enrolled, schools and colleges, and so many NGOs, Rotary, and even NCC, even so many medical colleges have also shown interest, and also this has reached to our Prime Minister. Honorable Prime Minister had sent a letter of thanks and best wishes to Foxy for doing all this such good work. So for the 10th August program, we have received, Foxy has received a letter from our Honorable Prime Minister also. So we are going and we are reaching to media, government, our other sister organizations, community across India. We are trying to reach and we are trying to take good work of Foxy and Foxy's vision. I am thankful to all of you for supporting all these activities. It was extremely painful to know about the said aircraft accident yesterday. On behalf of Foxy and personally, I pray my God to give strength to their family members to bear this irreparable great loss. I wish I wish best of luck and best wishes to all the viewers for happy learning, great learning. I have seen the great academic program. Even I wish to attend the program for both the days, but even though it is my wish, I would not be able to attend both the days, but it's really a very interesting and very great academic program. So I must congratulate Team POGS for this wonderful program, useful program. I wish all the viewers happy learning, great learning and safety. And with this, I would not take your much time. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for the such inspirational speech. We will continue ourselves to the community. And we will go ahead with our good work along with our society. So now, our guest of honor, Dr. Nandakini Meg Madam, Chairperson ICOG, to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. Our President, dear President Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, Shanta Kumari, the President-elect, then Dr. Ramani Devi, Dr. Ashwath Kumar, Pesi, and most importantly, the inviting person, Koimuddin, Dr. Abdul Wahab, and Mumtaz, and all of you, organizing committee of Kerala, and I can't spell the society name, so POGS. Very difficult to pronounce. And that this conference you kept is, no, I practiced, but it was difficult. So thank you very much for inviting me along with Alpesh Bhai. And it's such a great pleasure. Only thing, when we were viewing in the TV yesterday night, so there was a lot of pain and we were worried what will happen to the conference. But as we know that doctors have to carry on their duties, carry on the conferences because we cannot cancel. We pray at the outset only. I pray for the deep condolences to the families and quick recovery to the people who are already suffering in the hospital. First of all, keeping this conference a concept, I got a letter from Dr. Koimuddin, Madam, ICOG points. So ICOG credit awards have become very, very popular, and that is how I came to know. And then when he talked to me, then he told me, Madam, is it possible for you to come as a guest of honor? I said, it is my pleasure and it is privilege to actually come to Kerala, because Kerala is so pro-women, and in the Kerala, the highest literacy rate and lowest maternal mortality, and all the women's parameters are so beautifully pro-women. So I always want to come to Kerala because it's a very good for the women. So you have kept this Neosis conference, as Madam has correctly said, that it is a knowledge and thing and beautiful name. So with the conference which I read the literature, Koimuddin doctor has said that it is not a webinar. It's not webinar, and definitely it is not a webinar. It's a virtual conference, and lot of e-learning and incorporated with the artificial intelligence of the international standards that I read. And I really feeling I have attended many of the lectures. Dr. Sunita, Dr. Jaideep Malhotra, Shanta, everybody's lecture, and wonderful combination of all fetal medicine, reproductive medicine, oncology, contraception, and everything you have covered beautifully. So program is made in a very good umbrella, and keeping with your progressive nature of the state, that is Kerala, I think the program is going on very well. Second thing, I just bring the greetings from the ICOG. That ICOG, you all know that it is an academic wing of the FOXY, and as FOXY is doing a lot of work, academic wing, we have all declared our plans, like Alpesh Bhai has said, big plans, but never knew what is holding the future. So as soon as in the March when there was a lockdown, we were totally, confused what is to be done. And within no time we could adapt. We are human beings. Immediately we adapt to the new whatever comes to mind. And to my great surprise, at ICOG we could do a lot of things. Most importantly, the theme of the year, which is educate, equip, and empower, that we could do through our many courses. Reproductive medicine, fetal medicine, endoscopy, vaginal surgery. We are running the many centers. So the viewers who are here, or those who are desirous, juniors who are desirous of actually taking the admission in these courses, they please visit the website of FOXY, ICOG, and you can see variety of courses, variety of center, and this is a time of admission, July. Second thing, I will like to inform the viewers and everybody. Now we have this prestigious FICOG, and last year, I think Ashwath, everybody must have seen that installation of the chairperson, RCOG president, AOFOC president. Everyone was such a prestigious program. There you get this FICOG degree, fellowship, and it is a very, very prestigious. So I invite the people who are pulling the requirement, please visit the website. And what is most important is the form is online. You need not send 1 kg document to the FOXY office or ICOG office. It is online. You can visit, you can fill the form, and by online payment only, you can actually pay the 15,500 rupees, whatever is the fee. So this is for all viewers. This is very important, and the last date is somewhere in the October. So you should not miss this opportunity. Second thing is you join this lecture series and courses. We are just now concluded the ultrasound, which are very popular, hugely popular, and much in the demand, and very useful in the day-to-day practice. So we are trying to educate and equip and empower all through these programs. Third thing is very important is that you have to see our other prizes, that is a CL Jhaveri and other prizes, Usha Sarai Oration. So many people say, Madam, ko malum nahi. You must visit, because this our website, we are regularly putting the program and regularly informing what is in the store in the next program, and we are in a lot of programs, as you are aware. So please, all the viewers, visit our website. So immediately you will come to know, and we get the certificate courses are not that. Like many of the senior people are saying that we are taking exam after the course, and they are saying, Madam, there are study karne ke baad we can do this MCQ and all, and people are seriously studying and they are enhancing the knowledge. So all these courses, education, and last but not the least is very important that our college is associated with the RCG. Last year only we have renewed our collaboration. So all the courses become so prestigious, affiliated to the RCOG. So with this prestigious college, I think all of you, all the fellows, you become new fellow. Whatever the fellows are there, you please join with the program, become the faculty, and we are running all those center. You become faculty on those lecture series, which has been running since May, 3rd May till now, and we are going to take online exams for the student. So everything is hustle bustle of activities of education. So friends, with this information of the ICOG, I conclude my small speech. And once again, I thank very much Dr. Koimuddin. Good you found me, so I could actually come to this platform. Thank you very much for your gesture of inviting me. And all my friends, Ramani Devi, all my lovely friends, I really love the Kerala. And this is the most relaxing place. Even the conference is also very relaxing. So thank you very much, and all the best for your conference. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam, for your inspirational words.
Yes, sir,
we will join. Tomorrow we have.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, please.
Unmute, sir.
Please.
I would like to request all of you. One more thing is FOXY is very prompt and proactively working regarding COVID-19 across in pandemic in India. We are the first among all the federations and even before Government of India to come out with the advisory about the essential services, about the GCPR, first version of GCPR, second version of GCPR, about FAQs, frequently asked questions, and about the National Registry on Pregnancy with COVID-19. And we are getting a good response across India. My request is to all of you, if you come across any case of pregnancy with COVID-19, please share the data with Foxy's National Registry. Probably Foxy can lead and Foxy can guide the world for this COVID-19 in pregnancy. We have received a very good number of cases and I have gone through it, and we have very surprising findings in the registry. So I request all of you, please share the data for the betterment of women of India, for academics, and for our country. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We will take it as a note. We will inform all the COVID cases whichever coming to us. Now I would like to request Dr. Ashwath Kumar, our past Foxy Vice President, to felicitate.
Good evening, everybody. Respected Alpesh sir, Mandagini madam, Remani madam, Ambuja madam, my friends Wahab sir, my friends Kunju Moideen, Venu, Fesi, and all the audience. I will not take it. First of all, I want to congratulate POGS team. One thing I'm very proud is that last year I got the chance to inaugurate the society in the absence of the president. Now I am so happy that I delivered the baby, but the baby is growing very fast than I expected. So many activities. Alpesh sir should see that in Kerala I can tell that for the last 1 year they have done so many, not only academic activities, so many social activities also. And it's a real competition for next year's the society, best society award. That many activities they have done. And coming to this conference news and with this novel idea of virtual conference, it's not an easy thing. And I was sure that Dr. Kunju Moideen, an excellent, and with Wahab sir and the POGS team can organize this. So, sir, you should visit the whole area of the conference. It is entirely different. Like we are having a small Foxy conference. So the feel of everybody has a feel by attending this conference. They will have feel that they have not missed the conference, Foxy conference, other than the lunch and the dinner that Kunju Moideen will provide us. Somebody told that you can write in the account of Kunju, order from Swiggy and write in the account of Kunju Moideen. So dinner and lunch is okay. So all the best, Kunju Moideen, and the full POGS team, Wahab sir, and especially the whole Jitendra, Mumtaz, Dr. Mumtaz, and the team. And such a number by number, such a small society, but you cannot imagine the work by work, if you consider they are one of the biggest societies in India. So continue your work, and always I will be proud that I inaugurated the POGS. So thank you, Kunju Moideen, for that chance. Now I am very happy, and all the best for all your activities. Thank you, Kunju Moideen. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Like in Hindi, there is a saying like "Chota packet, bada dhamaka." So our society is improving like that. So hope you will continue your support and blessings to us. And tomorrow also, I will request all my viewers, tomorrow please do log in. Tomorrow we have all interesting topic like sexual dysfunction, and we have cosmetic gynecology and infertility. So all of you please, tomorrow is on Sunday, so all of you gather in large number and do log in time. We'll be starting at 9 a.m. morning. I would like to request Ramani Devi Madam, our Vice President, please felicitate.
Respected President Foxy, Dr. Alpesh, Chairperson ICOG, and my elder Didi, Mandagini Madam, past presidents, and incoming President Dr. Shantakumari, my dear friend, and all the past Vice President Dr. Ashwath Kumar and incoming Vice President Fesi Louis, and the president of Perindalmanna Society, Dr. Kunjumaidin, and the team. Kunjumaidin is not a new person to me. I have been in association with him for more than 10 years, and I know the efficiency of their team. And with a short span of 1 year, less than a year, with the team spirit, they have achieved so many things. In spite of this pandemic, they are able to come out with a newer concept of this virtual conference, where it has made possible for so many of us to come together. And I've been watching it since afternoon, and all the programs are excellent, and Superstar program is a super one. So there is a saying in Tamil, Murthy Siridanalum Kirti Peridu. That means even though it is a small version, the whatever they do is superb. So like this, Perindalmanna Society, in spite of the minimal number of members, they are doing an excellent work, and I congratulate them for this excellent conference. I cannot forget the help Dr. Kunjumaidin and her team had done towards my Environmental Day celebration as my CSR activity. In fact, whole of Kerala, Dr. Venugopal, every day Venugopal, Ashwath, Fesi, everybody used to call me, Madam, you don't worry, we will make it as a big show. That was the support I got from my younger brothers of the team Kerala. I congratulate you, Dr. Kunjumaidin, and I don't want to take more time because we are lagging behind, but I feel sorry for whatever has happened today, the aircraft accident. I pray God that they should, at least the survivors should become all right in days to come. I thanks for the opportunity given to me, and I wish this conference a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. We hope that you will continue to keep your blessings on us, and with new ideas, new conference in your future. And please don't go away, because after this, immediately after the this inauguration function,
I'll be
we
here.
have two more orations.
You chase me out, don't worry.
Yeah, we have a very interesting Foxy President oration, and then followed by our own KFOG President oration. So please do watch our program. Next, I would like to request Dr. Fesi Luis, sir, Vice President elect Foxy. So please kindly.
Respected Chief Guest, Foxy President Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, Guest of Honor Mandagini Madam, ICOG Chairperson, and KFOG President Ambuja Madam, Vice President Remini Madam, and Foxy All India Coordinator Ashur, and KFOG Secretary Venugopal, and all the office bearers, especially the President of Perindalmanna Society, Kunjumaidin, Secretary Wahab, Dr. Mumtaz, and energetic Joint Secretary Jitendra. On behalf of not only my society and also on behalf of Foxy, I bring greetings to all of you. And I think it is wonderful to know that last year we had in Kerala two new societies. One is Malanadu and another is Perindalmanna, even though name is not so familiar. And it is amazing to know from a small town from where Perindalmanna, Kunjumaidin, along with Wahab and a few scientifically interested gynecologists, started a gynec club. And most of the people were under Calicut Society initially, and for the last few years started the gynec club. Even I was a member of that when I was in Edapad. And scientific activities was there, and every year we used to have wonderful CMEs there. We used to go there. I think after that, Kunjumaidin, whom I know for last 33 years, he was 1 year senior to me in Christian Medical College from 1987 onwards. And Wahab also, he's a wonderful professor in the medical college. With all these academic and workshops and conferences there, they evolved into a Foxy society. And as Ashad told, within less than 1 year, they could do so much academic activity and organize this virtual conference. This is, as far as my knowledge, the second virtual conference all India, and one of the biggest with so many national and international speakers. this will throw light into a new era of virtual conferencing among the gynecologists in India. And Sumit, as you all know, has done a wonderful arrangement with a good technical involvement in that. And I think without wasting time, I wish to congratulate Perindalmanna Society. And as Ashok told, we'll be in Kerala Federation. We, as all Kerala members know, we have a wonderful competition of both the academic and social involvement among the societies. And Perindalmanna will be giving even though it is a new society, it will be giving a tough challenge to the other societies. Also, in all India level, also they will be competing very in a big way, because they have been flooded with all the activities all in the few months which they have started. And with one sorry note to those who have been deceased in aircraft yesterday. And also in Kerala, we had a big tragedy yesterday. More than 40 people died with a landslide in Munnar also. So yesterday was a bad day for Kerala. But being gynecologists and doctors, we have to, as Mandakini Madam told, we have to do our duty. We have to spread our knowledge, and we are all back into action. And I hope this conference today and tomorrow will be enlightening all of us with new knowledge in this field of gynecology. All the fields has been covered: contraception, gynec, infertility, obstetrics, everything has been covered with excellent faculties. And wishing the Perindalmanna Society and this conference Neoasis all the best. Let me conclude, as you are running short of time. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Today, this Noesis is possible with all of you, because the great faculties were supported from all over the India as well as abroad, for which we came to this final settlement. And now I would like to call Venugopal sir, Secretary KFOG, to felicitate.
Respected Alpesh Gandhi sir, President Foxy, on behalf of the Kerala Federation of Gynecology and its members, we bring you greetings. Alpesh sir, we are very much inspired, and we thank you for all the initiatives that you have taken. You are always a very big inspiration for us. So thank you, and we are privileged to share the stage and to have you for this function. Mandakini Madam, thank you very much for your presence and for your nice words. Ramani Madam, as always, very encouraging. Thank you very much for all our activities, and it's nice to share the stage with you as many times before. Regarding Fesi and Ashwath, of course, from Foxy, they've always been our friends and encouragement for all activities. And Ambuja Madam, of course, she's my president. So Madam's sheer presence and her dynamism takes Kerala Federation a long way forward. Together we do many activities, and Kunju Moideen and team Perindalmanna ONG Society, Wahab and Jitendra and all of you, congratulations for a wonderful event. Without taking much time and we keeping the president of Foxy in waiting for his talk, I conclude my felicitations and I wish the conference a grand success.
Thank you.
Request Dr. Wahab to express the vote of thanks. Dr. Wahab, please.
Good evening, everyone. My sincere thanks to Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, respected Foxy President, and the Chief Guest and Guest of Honor, Mandakini Madam. And there is no time, we are running short of time, so I thank each and everyone present here, Ambujam Madam, Venugopal, Ashwath, Fesi, and thanks to all support group, the Pharma, and I would say big thanks to our team led by our energetic President, Dr. Kunju Moideen. Without him, this virtual conference or this virtual webinar will not be happen. And he made my job very easy, and almost I have got some difficult time this period, and he helped me a lot, and he done 99% of the work. And thanks to all, and please go to the next session, the oration of President Alpesh Gandhi and also Dr. Ambuja Madam. Thanks to all, and again thanks to all the delegates and speakers and panelists and the attendees for making this webinar a big success. And don't forget, tomorrow also we have got the academic feast will continue from 9 a.m. onwards. And thanks for all. Jai Hind.
Sumit, national anthem, please.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे